Now that we've created our morph chart, we want to create a complete design solution by assembling different ideas that we created for each of our problems. So for example, I was thinking it'd be cool if we used a cylindrical cheese grater that utilized a crank and an indirect delayed reservoir and an enclosed soap, and that used 1 bar for our complete final solution.
I was thinking that we would have a flat cheese grater where you push and pull the blade itself, not the soap, that goes directly into your hand, because you're using it with one hand, with an enclosed bar of soap. And I'd say it should only use like 1.5 bars, so let's go for 1 bar.
I was thinking we could do something with like a peeler that rotated around the soap. So you'd use a peeler as the soap breaking mechanism and a crank as the action. And it would have to be indirect delayed reservoir. But you could have the soap open and just like held somehow and use only 1 bar that the peeler would rotate around.
Cool.
I guess a cool solution would be if we used, I think, a pepper grinder.
Okay.
So I think with that, like naturally it goes with a twisting motion.
Okay.
I think with that too, if we want to be able to have it one-handed, it would have to go into an indirect delayed reservoir at first. So you kind of twist it, it stays there, and then you somehow get the soap. So I guess if it stays somewhere, then I think it would be enclosed.
Okay.
And then I think it could handle multiple bars if it was a big enough machine.
Big enough. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you wouldn't have to refill it as often.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we did is that we created several complete design solutions by taking one idea from each category and creating individual unique design solutions. You can wind up using an idea multiple times or wind up using several ideas not at all. And depending on the ideas you have, you can come up with some really unique design solutions.